Rio Olympics will have a whole lot of poo-poo in the water. Rio de Janeiro is a great city with beautiful coastlines and breathtaking views, which is why it's hosting the 2016 Summer Olympics. The reason it takes your breath away is because of the notoriously filthy water, which is heavily polluted with raw sewage and garbage. When bidding to host the Games, Rio promised the IOC it would eliminate 80% of the sewage and fully regenerate the lagoon in which rowing and kayaking events would be held. Rio now says it's not going to happen because there's not enough commitment, funds, and energy, blah, blah, blah. So, not only is the water filled with crap, it's also teeming with bacteria and viral pathogens. Athletes have been asked to get hepatitis A vaccinations, polio vaccine boosters, and to take the oral typhoid vaccine. Boats and oar handles will be constantly blasted with bleach. Athletes will also have to douse themselves with a hand sanitizer, as well as shower immediately after races. But hey, a little bit of Montezuma's revenge here and there is worth a gold medal. Or is it?